Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start with fundamentals: variables, data types, operators, control flow, functions, and objects. Spend time reading simple examples and rewriting them by hand to internalize syntax and patterns. Practice 30 minutes daily using an interactive site like FreeCode Camp or CodeCademy so repetition builds muscle memory. Set up Node.js LTS and a code editor like VS Code within the first session to run code locally and use an integrated debugger. Focus an early week on console. Log, basic loops, build 3 small projects: a to-do app, a calculator, and a weather fetcher to apply fundamentals in concrete ways. Start each project with an HTML skeleton, add CSS for layout, then implement behavior with JavaScript focusing on DOM manipulation, fetch API, and event handling through hands-on practice. Use GitHub to host code and track versions with commits so you can review progress and show work. Iterate, add features like local storage, input validation, and basic error handling as you learn more concepts. Read MDN docs for reference and search terms like array methods or promise chaining when you need authoritative explanations and examples. Supplement reference reading with short tutorial videos and targeted exercises that show code output step by step. Study asynchronous patterns, callbacks, promises, and async/await with concrete examples to handle data loading and timers reliably. Join a community for feedback: Discord, Stack Overflow, or local meetups to ask questions, get code reviews, and find collaborators for practice projects and job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.